Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. You can pry it off with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1139C filter into the housing. With its airflow indicating arrow pointing down, the edges of the flat side should ride on rails that will curve the filter. Reinstall the filter housing door. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.